Hi Zyger fam, today we'll be making a fenugreek milk treatment, and it's the type of treatment you can mix with any of your Ayurvedic herbs. I'm gonna mix it with some Brahmi. The star of today's video is fenugreek. I've seen many recipes using the fenugreek paste, but I wanted to focus today on more fenugreek milk because it's much easier to rinse out. Fenugreek is packed with nicotinic acid and it strengthens and promotes hair growth. I'm adding Brahmi because of its antioxidant properties and because it soothes the scalp and promotes healthier hair. First, you'll want to add about 1 part fenugreek to 2 parts water, and it's going to be a similar process to the cold pressed flax seeds where we leave it in the refrigerator for about 24 hours. You'll notice that the fenugreek will just simply absorb the water. Then after your fenugreek is softened, it'll be ready to blend. And this is the part where you have to gauge if you need to add more water, or maybe if you want to add a little bit of oil. It depends on your preference. I wanted more of a milky texture with a little bit of thickness because that's what works best on my hair. Either way, you can guarantee you're still going to get some great benefits from the fenugreek and the Ayurvedic powder that you choose to add. After you blend it up, you'll want to strain your fenugreek milk. I strained it 2 times just to make sure I didn't get any of the seeds in my milk, and this worked pretty well with a cheesecloth that you've seen in my previous videos. I really think that this treatment did a great job at strengthening my hair and revitalizing it. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you next time.